another tutorial from tutorvid.com. This tutorial is going to show you how to update your firmware and on a camera, and I'll be specifically using the Canon 5D Mark II. So the first thing you need to do is format the card you're going to use. So the card is new and clean. Then take it over to your computer and find the file to download on the internet. To find the proper page, which is this one here, I just did a search for Canon 5D Mark II firmware, and this page comes right up. Or if you do a Google search, it should be one of the first few results. So read through this and make sure you know what you're getting into. And no, I'm not responsible for screwing up your camera if something happens, but it should go well. So once you read all this page and what you're agreeing to on the bottom here, click agree. And then you'll have your download files here if you're using Windows or Mac. I'm using Windows, so I'll download that. And then it'll save it on your computer. Figure out where it went to. Mine is here. Then you can double click it and run, and then extract to. In there, type in where your card is stored, or just put it on your hard drive and then you can drag the file later onto your card. I just put it directly onto the card, so it shows up here. It should look something like this. Then back to the camera. And then if you go to the firmware, right now it says firmware 1.1.0. Press the set, and then update, yes please. Then it will ask you if you want that version. Select OK, and then once again confirm, and then you have to wait 30 seconds for it to update the firmware. Alright, a few percent left. I guess that took a little longer than 30 seconds, but when it's done, it'll give you your notice that it's done. And then if you go into menu again, you should see firmware 1.2.4. And that's it. Check out more tutorials on tutorvid.com.